Hey guys, what's up? Guys, okay guys. I'm gonna make my disclaimer that this video is an old one, and I forgot to mention in that vlog. I have I was traveling. I traveled back home to Sombara instead of Siliguri, and I have time lapse. Yeah, time lapse of traveling to Siliguri. Of traveling to Sombara. So traveling to Somalia, and I'm doing this like for 5 times. This is the fifth take. So guys, also hit the like button, for the dedication. And if you haven't watched that vlog of Namchi, you can watch that vlog, and then you can come to this vlog. Yeah, you can continue after that. So hit the like button and also comment down below. I'm like this video was shot before Dasera and Diwali. If you wanna know, Diwali, Dasera and Dasai, if you wanna know something about Dasera, interesting fact and Diwali, please comment down below. I will be making a video about it. Interesting, and just see this Geytang view, evening view. Geytang has a beautiful evening view. Definitely, thank you. धन्यवाद. It's like beautiful. So guys, enjoy the ride to Sombaria. Here we go.
नमस्ते गरेको काम नै गरिदिएको छ धुनाइमा नि
Namaste and so beautiful people, welcome to this another vlog from my place. After that vlog I came to Sombaria home, and today one day off. I have taken one day off, and I just want to show you the view, man. If you love nature, you will be liking my vlogs. If you love music, you will be liking my vlogs. If you love entertainment, you will be liking my vlogs. If you love tech videos, you will be liking my tech videos. So subscribe, man. Okay, just check the view. Just see that. Oh boy. Let me take a selfie. Actually, it was I was planned that I was able to go Geytang. Let me fix it. I was able to go Geytang, but I had to change the plan, and we came to Singlet. Just hear the cooler walking by, drain flowing. Num, num, num. And one more time, I would like to show you the view from here, cause it's chumma. It's all yours. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take a good view, man. Woohoo! Today we are going to do is we are here in Sydney, and it's just for a few hours, and we'll be heading towards Geytang for some swimming and all, and then we will be heading towards hostel somewhere over our Sunrise Academy hostel for the meetup. I have to meet my brother, so stay tuned for that update. Till then, I'll see you later. Guys, we just made up to the road from down there, and now we're heading towards Geytang, and you can see the view is still just like okay. And the clickbait is gonna be 4:30 p.m. swimming challenge. Okay, it's like 4:30 that we have arrived here, which is a long walk. Jimmy, that target again. Jimmy, oi, how is it now? Oh guys, that's it for now. Let's head towards Geytang and have a swim. I hope you are listening to this Kholako sound. Kholako sound. Okay, now it's time for swimming. Let's go for this challenge. Oh guys, we are going on the run right now. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. Oh boy! What a thought! Let's go again. Guys, just completed the 4:30 p.m. The swimming challenge, and it's like super cold right now. And I shot my video from things as noted, and yeah, it's public phone, but damn funny was noted. Okay, guys, that's it. Now meet up with my brother. Let's go. We're heading back home. I hope you like that swimming wala part, because he has given his iPhone Samsung Note 8, and he has given the try, so whether it's waterproof or not. So thumbs up for this boy. This man, mad lad. It's an absolute mad lad. And so thumbs up for that, guys, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed to this channel. Subscribe button and we are almost 200 subscribers, so guys, subscribe, man, subscribe. Okay guys, I'll see you when we reach to us, my younger brother. Till then, wait. Sorry guys, sorry. I forgot to take a video while I made my brother, and I was in hurry that day, so I didn't take the I didn't make the video and I didn't vlog it. So but I made him anyway. I hope this is the end of this video, and I would like to show you something that's like beautiful. It's the Geytang. When you be in Geytang, don't notice anything. I'm telling you, ignore all those bad things. Just ignore the beauty of Geytang, and the beauty of Geytang is in the sky, the sunset of it, and the sunrise of it. So see this. You see that? You see that? That's even beautiful. That's so beautiful. But not beautiful than you. You are beautiful than this sunset. And if this sunset is beautiful, then you make it beautiful. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, man. We have crossed 200 subs. I don't know how did we cross. I know, but I know that I know that how I managed to bring each and every subscribers. Please subscribe. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And I have the final exam by Monday, and after Monday I'll be creating content. And also, guys, if you want to do me the challenges, bring it on. Just comment down below the challenges. And also I'll be adding because I haven't scripted anything. I'm not a script vlogger. I haven't scripted anything. If 1K crosses, then I have to be like scripting. I'll be scripting after these vlogs and all. Yeah, it's been a hard time. It's been a hard time. But anyway, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting with a smile. Fake smile. Comment down below, guys. Comment down below the challenges, and comment down below the content on which you want me to make a vlog, or you want me to make a songs cover on which songs. I will be putting and throwing on my soul on it. Yeah, that's it. This is not beautiful than you. Remember that. Until next time, Suktti.